Next, let's talk about color mixing, particularly when it comes to watercolor. When we're talking about color with watercolor, I'm going to speak specifically about mixing sets. So sets that are designed for color mixing. And basically these kinds of sets contain two different types of yellows, two different types of reds, and two different types of blues, although this may vary from set to set. The set I'm using here is the Da Vinci mixing palette, and it's got some really beautiful color options that allow for a lot of mixing. So you have colors that are known as cool colors, and you have colors that are known as warm colors. And even within colors that you might think of as warm or cool, there's a cool designation and a warm designation. So if your yellow is a cool yellow, it's going to be closer to green. If your yellow is a warm yellow, it's going to be closer to red. If your red is closer to yellow, it is going to be a warm red. If it's closer to blue or purple, it's going to be a cool red, and so on.